Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. Today is Honda Day. Normally, I choose my Versys because it is comfortable. But today, I decided I'm gonna ride Honda because I'm not riding this bike a lot, mostly around the chimney in the neighborhood. I'm gonna ride the old lady a little bit, spin the wheels. It is pretty cold today, so I need to dress up a little bit. So I need to put my kidney belt because I don't want to get cold. I could dress up in a Revit, which is pretty warm, but Revit doesn't fit to this bike. This is retro jacket and retro bike, dus that is better fit, right? Okay, let's go, guys. I'm gonna tell you on the way where I'm going. So, the plan for today is very ambitious. Me and my old lady Honda are going to Bodegraven, a small town located 38 kilometers from my place of residence, where my dealer is located. And I don't mean a drug dealer, because drugs are not my addiction. Motorcycles are my addiction. But with this, you don't go to a drug dealer, but to a psychiatrist or a motorcycle dealer. And that's exactly where I was going. But of course, a real biker never goes straight to the destination. So my route included beautiful views and was 12 kilometers longer. Here we are, almost by the dealer, and it's gonna be busy here. Always is. At the end of each motorcycle season, my dealer, which is probably the largest motorcycle business in the Netherlands, organize the so-called end of the season party. A party with live music, good food, big discounts, crowds of people, and a lottery where you can win motorcycles and other prizes. Of course, apart from the fact that I dreamt of winning a motorcycle, I really wanted to eat something delicious and have interesting conversations with other motorcyclists. Yeah, you stupid, everybody knows.
Is dit de originele kleur?
Nou, originele Japanse kleur, maar niet originele van deze motor.
Nee, maar deze heb ik hier ook nog niet gezien. Ah, wat een mooie kleur.
Nee, want deze kleurtjes zijn ze gemaakt alleen in Japan.
Oké. Wat een mooie kleur zo. Die mooie kleur zo.
Ja.
Hey, succes vandaag.
Ja, dankjewel, jullie ook. Every year, thousands of motorcycles come to this place to celebrate the end of the season. thousands of motorcyclists meet, admire their bikes, eat and have fun, and also shop. Because after all, price reductions do not happen every day. And maybe you will be able to buy something that will be useful in the next season. Who knows? Incredibly busy. It is very cool and very busy. And the problem is the lottery was cancelled because of the legal reasons. So I won't be winning this year anything. I ate some nice sandwich, chicken sandwich. I think I'm gonna go now. Okay, ladies and gents, time to go home. There's a lot of people, way too much people to do anything here. So I've listened to some music, I've ate chicken sandwich. Just look at that. Absolutely crazy.
A few moments later.
Well, I have a problem. This is loose and I lost one of the bolts. Crap. It's not good.
So I need to go to the garage, fix that. Okay, let's shake slowly to the garage. And I'll fix there. Okay, I will have to find same kind of bolts. Oh shit. That can be problematic. Let's see. It's my magic jar. This bolt. I have something similar. Okay, it fits. I'm gonna use this one for now. Buy a new one. And another thing I need is it's this. I need this exactly. Okay. And what I'm gonna do as well, I'm gonna use the glue because they're gonna get loose again. And I don't want that. Where's my glue? That's my glue. Let's use a bit of blue stuff. No, it doesn't look original now. But this is better than nothing. I think I know when I lost it, because I heard a click. The bolt falls on the mudguard, and I heard boom, but I didn't know what it was. Now I know. Well, guess what? I found the bolt. It's almost the same. So, yippee! And of course I need to glue it. Now that looks much better. Anyways, it is fixed. And I'm gonna continue today's journey with the Honda. It's a Honda day.
Problems are meant to be solved, but it would be a sin to end such a beautiful day so early. So I decided to go to my favorite place, where the nature forced us humans to build a winding road, and there are not many in this country.
I'm never gonna let the day begin. Never gonna let the day begin. 'Cause everything is like a dream, yeah, but only my dream that I live in.
So I, a human, a weak creature, was forced to chase corners, admire the views, and talk to the sheep.
Give me my dreams. better from above. Nothing's ever as it seems, yeah, except in that world that I dream of. Never gonna lose the ones I love. Never gonna lose the ones I love. 'Cause everything is like a dream, yeah, but only in that world that I dream of. Oh, don't wake me up before you go, 'cause I can't face this day alone. Oh, darling, please just let me sleep. Give me my dreams. Give me my dreams. Give me my dreams.
It was time for reflection at the end of the day. I could sit there for hours and stare at the clouds creeping across the sky, barges passing by, and listening to the sound of the wind. That's my vibe. Unfortunately, the grey reality forced me to return home. So I got on my old Honda and headed into the sunset.